Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? This time I think absolutely it's gone very wrong now, but don't worry, my friend. I have some very special update for all Dogecoin holder, and I will also give you some very special information. I will predicate this coin. I will do a technical analysis, and also I'm going to share my opinion now. So this video is very important for all of you. If you want to earn money, my friends, from crypto, now subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, first of all, I'm going to show you some very special. This time you can see here, my friend, change occurring minus 3.75%. The price will decrease now. Definitely when a holder are starting selling, when the market cap is decreasing, so the price change occurring is also going to be negative and the price will also decreasing. So that same method, as you can see, my friend, is going here now, as you can see here. But absolutely remember to, after fails, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, as you can see here, the Dogecoin price will also pumps up. So therefore, I'm very excited to see this now. To Dogecoin price will increase now and Dogecoin will moving upward. But in last 12 hour, you can see here plus 0.2% they will get a profit. In last 24 hour, as you can see here, minus 0.14% the price is decreased now. So don't worry, in last 12 hour, as I already show you, my friends, so absolutely is going positive. That's mean to the price will starting moving upward and they will recovering all the lost. Yes, they will just only take a 1 or 2 days, my friends, so they will recover all the loss and give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. My prediction is going 100% positive, so kindly holders hold down and don't start selling. In my opinion, also please hold on.